The wolf that knocked. Everyone in my town knows one rule. If you hear a knock at your door after midnight, don't answer it. They say it's just a wolf, not a werewolf, not a monster, just a wolf. Last night I heard 3 slow knocks. Knock, knock, knock. I looked through the peephole. There was a huge black wolf standing on its hind legs, staring straight at the door. Its yellow eyes never blinked. Then it spoke in my mother's voice. "Honey, let me in." My mother died 6 years ago. I backed away, shaking, until the knocking stopped. When the sun came up, I opened the door. There were no paw prints, only muddy human footprints leading away from my house. The sheriff came later that morning. He looked pale when he saw them. Then he asked one question. "You didn't let it in, did you?" I said no. He sighed with relief. "Good," he whispered, "because whatever knocked wasn't trying to get into your house. It was trying to get out."